So I'm just sitting here randomly watching some videos on YouTube, and all of a sudden my mobile phone rings. Now, somehow they've got my telephone number from somewhere, and somehow they actually know my real first name. This is kind of a little bit scary. I also apologise towards about 30 seconds, maybe a minute into the video, the focus of the camera goes out of focus when I'm focusing on my hand with the phone because it was a bit dark. I do apologise that. Really, this is for audio content only, so please enjoy. Do I own the property I live in?
Yes,
Yeah. So what are we doing again?
yes, sir. Actually, I'm calling you in relation to the federal government solar rebate program in order to check that if you qualify for the solar rebates that the federal government is offering. And lastly, I would like to confirm it's a freestanding house, right? It means it's not an apartment or an unit. It's a normal house, right?
Yeah, it's a normal house. It's
Yes.
it's just on its own.
Congratulations, sir. As I can see, your property is now equally qualified to get the government rebate and government subsidy on solar. Because, sir, at the moment, as you're already aware of, the federal government is offering a maximum rebate, which is up to $4,000. And what we are doing here is simply providing you each and every detail in writing so that you can have a look, you can discuss with your family, discuss with your partner, and then go for your wise decision. Okay, sir? It's a no obligation, free quotation. Okay.
Okay. Sorry, what was your name again?
So, my name is Justin. So, sir,
Justin.
what the best I can do for you? I'm simply arranging a local solar expert for you. So he's gonna visit your place and he'll explain you everything, like what's your rebate, what's your subsidy, what's gonna be your savings through the solar, how much big system you can have, how much do you have to pay out of your pocket, means each and everything in a better way. So can you give me a rough idea, like roughly how much do you spend on your power bills in 3 months? Can I say somewhere around $300 to $400 or more than that, sir?
The last bill I got for the quarter
Like for
was,
the 3 months, just a rough idea. Roughly, can I say $400, $500?
yeah,
Like
well,
somewhere that,
3 months is a quarter. It was roughly about $600.
Oh, 600. Thanks for the confirmation, man. I'm writing it down, $600. And what's the best time for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, as our local experts are working in your area? So what's the best time for tomorrow? You think that you're at home, so a local expert can come to you and visit to you, like morning, evening, or afternoon? Choose your best time, sir.
Well, I'm usually up around about 5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, that's what time I
Like,
normally wake up.
no, we are not working at that time. Like, give me any time in the morning or afternoon or in the evening after your work timing if you're available. It will hardly take like 10 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Give me your best time, sir.
All right. Well. First, what's the name of the company that you work for?
I'm Yes, I'm calling you from Solar Solutions, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So, like, give me the best time, sir. When tomorrow or day after tomorrow, when you feel that you're at home.
Mother child. The best time would be probably about 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Thanks for the confirmation, sir. And I'll advise my solar expert to give you a call before visiting, okay? So do receive his call and respond in a positive way that yes, I have fixed an appointment, and do come to my place as per your given time, that is 1 o'clock. So all done by my side, sir. At last, I need to confirm your address from your side. So I'm having your postcode. Do correct me if I'm wrong. That is 7007. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And what's the property number with the street name, sir?
Uh, it's 560
500
and 60.
and 60.
Yeah,
That's the property number. And what's the street name?
that is correct.
Yes, I got it. I got it. So all done by my side, mate. Tomorrow, as per your given time, that is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The solar expert gonna be at your place. If you like the deal, please go ahead and lock it, sir.
Okay, well, I normally do always lock the property when I leave.
Yes.
But I mean, if I'm not there, what's the point of the solar expert coming out?
So you're not at this property right now?
Well, I am right now, but I mean, if you come tomorrow and I'm not here, what's the point of them coming out if they've got no one to talk to? I mean, that would be pointless, wouldn't it? So telling me to, lock the property if I go out, it's sort of like is counterintuitive, isn't it?
Will you be here day after tomorrow? Give me the best time when you're available at this place.
Well,
wherever you want the meeting.
I just told you, 1 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, 1 p.m. That's 1:00 p.m.
At this address, right?
That's correct.
Yes. So for tomorrow, 1 o'clock, your appointment is fixed at this place. The solar expert will call you and confirm the appointment, and then he will come to this place. Okay?
All right. And by the way, as I've already stated probably 3 times now to people that keep calling me up from this number, I'm on a national do not call list.
So, sir, you don't want solar, right?
No, because it's a complete scam anyway. You're a mother chode. Dirty market cheat.
Thank you. Thanks for
Ben Child. Ben Child.
Yes.
Fuck off.
Yes. You fuck off, you motherfucker.
That's real professional, isn't it? Fuck you, you prick. Well, that was fun. That was the first real scammer I've actually had on my phone in a long time. I made up a fake address. But it is true, I'm on a national do not call list, and it is actually illegal for them to call. And then that just shows that they are a scam, when they get really aggressive like that and tell you to fuck off and all that sort of stuff. That's very unprofessional. It's not a legitimate company. So, yeah. Solar Solutions, you're a bunch of wankers. Stop calling me.